half of entry-level white-collar jobs disappearing and 10 to 20% unemployment in the next 1 to 5 years.
The headlines say AI is going to steal our jobs, replace our minds, rewrite everything.
CEO of an artificial intelligence company warns that AI is about to wipe out millions of jobs in the next few years, even calling it a bloodbath.
I wanted to see what's actually happening at the street level. Came to Athens chasing stories about the future. Instead, I found a founder talking about something older: purpose and meaning.
Hi, James. Very nice meeting you. Nice to meet you.
I think so. More and more people rediscover entrepreneurship to find meaning. It's very important to find meaning in life, and finding meaning through work makes you a lucky person.
The financial crisis might have emptied some of the streets, but it cleared the stage too. A generation didn't leave.
Ventures has founded a small startup, which we are part of the Ventures, and to leverage AI in developing better tools for audience engagement between media, journalists, and readers or audience.
They don't just ask how big or how much, they ask why. You walk into Starttech, and it's hard to tell. Is this a university, a co-working space, a philosophy salon with better Wi-Fi? Because they don't just train founders here, they train thinkers who happen to code.
What do you think sets us apart from AI in an age of all this technology? What makes us human?
Okay, I believe that we have a soul outside of the body, and I also believe that experiences differentiate us.
Yeah.
Philosophy isn't a museum piece in Athens. It's part of the business plan.
The human touch, what do you think separates us as humans? What do you think makes us human?
Empathy.
Empathy.
Yes. And I think that it's something that it's unique in humans, and it's difficult for the AI to encapsulate this.
I guess we'll see.
Yeah, let's see.
Thanks for sharing.
Thank you so much.
This wasn't the story that I expected. It was better.
What do you think makes us human?
This one?
Our brains?
Yeah. The combo of brains and feelings, and the way that we try to bring the one circle inside the other every day. I think this is the struggle to be alive, to be, good, to evolve, and to make it through the day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everyone's selling AI futures, but here, they're busy shipping features.
Of course, but
Yeah.
they're customers.
Interesting. Yes, of course.
OpenAI also.
Oh, really?
OpenAI is one of our customers. And this company does a lot of AI. So let me say hello. Hi. Sorry for interrupting. So this is James and JD.
Nice to meet you.
So, sorry for the interrupt. So James is for a few weeks in Athens, coming from Arkansas in the US, doing some work.
Athens has always been a great place for questions, but lately they're building answers too. Ones you can launch, ones that ship, ones that matter.